Good morning, Linnie from Rebel Hollow Springs. We're here today with our spring cleanup. The guys are probably about 20 minutes in and making some really good headway. Just wanted to get a quick video of what they're doing and where they're at, and show you folks how the progress is moving along. So we'll leave it at that and get a video here shortly. Good morning, everyone, from Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. It's Linnie here. And what you're looking at is our golf cart that is finally running. We are so excited. It's an easy way to get around the farm here while we are waiting for Miss Nancy to bring down the quad and bring down the trailers. This morning I was working here up against the fence on this little hill with this rock formation, raking off all the fine debris, and I'm going to be planting a tulip garden over here, so I'm pretty excited about that. A little bit more work to do and I'll be ready to put the tulips in. And as you can see right here, I have our golf cart loaded with sticks that I took down last week and were laying in the ditch bank. The golf cart has a great little backing on it where you can load stuff, and it makes it a lot easier. So we're excited today to have the golf cart up and running and in use for the farm again. And there you go, one load of sticks out of the ditch bank. We hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Hey everyone, Rebel Hollow Springs Farm, Linnie here. Hope you're having a blessed day. What you're looking at here is the outside of a barn where we've got a bunch of sticks that are up against the fence line. And then a bunch of down tree limbs and an old barbed wire fence that needs to be taken down. And then of course, the ditch bank that I was working in runs all the way back here and all the way up the creek. This is what we're trying to make sure that it's clear so we have good water runnage and we don't get flooded or clogged up. So my project, one of my little projects today is to try and get all this stick and all this wood out of here, any down tree limbs and what have you. Because this corner of the property right here is where Miss Nancy plans to plant her pawpaws, because pawpaws require shade. And in case you didn't know, pawpaws are very indigenous to Tennessee land, so we're excited to put those up here. And once we get all these sticks out of here, take down kind of the mingled fence, probably repair the complete fence line all the way down the property and out to the marker there by the road. And then as you can see, it continues on up the hill to the little ridge there. That's another nice little section of the little ridge. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing right now. Michael and his crew are still down there working on the spring. And I'm going to see if I can get some of these old, like maybe horsetail, dried up horsetail. Again, get some of these branches cleaned up and hauled off to our burn pile for our next burn. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. All right, Linnie here from Rebel Hollow Springs. We're working under this tree right now, picking up all the sticks and trying to get them up out of the grass, all the tree fall. I've already taken a load up top to the burn pile. And here's another pile I'm working on. Super important that with mowing season coming up, that you pick up all these sticks that are laying in your yard, especially if you have expensive mowing equipment, riding mowers, well, anything that you just don't want to have destroyed. The width of these sticks down here being an inch or better thick definitely can upset your mower deck, cause imbalance in the mower deck, and it can also damage your blade, something fierce, like take chunks when you hit it. So something like this, super important that you're picking this stuff up so that you can keep your mower blades in really good shape and doing what they're meant to do. So if you haven't picked up the sticks in your yard, mowing season's coming. you might want to get out there and prep and get ready. All right, you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
What you're seeing here is a trailer that was loaded with the debris from the spring. And as you can tell, there was a lot taken off of the spring. These are the feed barrels out of the barn that were cut, and we're going to use them for a raised bed garden. And Linnie even got some paint on them.
Good afternoon, everyone. Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. This is the completion of our spring cleanup. As you can see, there are still some leaves from the last rain. They're kind of caked down in there. But all the sticks and everything, you can see the beautiful rock formations. It's all been cleaned up. Not a lot of stuff left in the water. The road's been edged. Everything looks really good. We were able to salvage the Easter lilies, the majority of them. The guys, Michael Pittman's crew, took a full trailer load of yuck out of here, out of the spring. So Michael told me he's leaving the cedar, Nancy, because, well, the birds like it and there's only one. But they got up there and they took all the sticks out, the majority of them that they could get to without needing rock climbing belts. And it looks really good. As always, Michael Pittman and his crew, they do a phenomenal job. Just super, super hard workers. So there it is, the final video on the spring cleanup, this little area and this little section here. Again, we could probably do some fine raking over here when it dries out a bit and get the rest of the debris. But they have certainly done the hard work. So here's the final. You can see the fences and it's nice and clean. You guys have a good day. Bye now.
After over 20 hours of rain, the dry creek is no longer dry. Last project of the week was a Saturday morning cleanup.
Good morning from Rebel Hollow Springs. As you can see, the guys are here taking down some dead trees for us. They're out there on the chainsaws. They just dropped the one that was on the other side of the fence. And then they took the one that was up on the hill over there. That one's already gone. It rolled down the hill and is behind the burn pile. Michael Pittman and his crew, these guys are awesome.
Thanks so much for watching our videos. We appreciate all the support that you give to us here on this channel. And we also have Kentucky Garden Gal Facebook page. We have a Patreon account just for the farm. And I will put all of those links in the description and on the screen. And if you don't care, would you give this video a like? Make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to drop a comment, we would love to hear feedback from you.
Sure would. Be good to have support.
Yes, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
See you later. Have a great week.